We're doing another food tour, Joe. It's been a while. Today, we make miso mac and cheese. Half stick of butter. I got a tube of wasabi. Squirt out a generous portion. And then the next thing is I'm gonna take miso, a good solid, maybe 2 tablespoons, we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons. And now the butter's melted, so we're just gonna add some milk. And I'm shooting for about a cup, but I'm gonna eyeball it. Alright, next, I'm gonna do everyone's favorite task in the world, shred cheese. You ready? Here we go. We're gonna start whisking in some of the cheese. It says al dente in 7 to 8 minutes. So we're gonna cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. Have it a little underdone because we're gonna bake it. And dump it on in and make sure you salted your water. You see that? You see that jump? You see that bubble? Turn it down. Turn it down. So we got the crab in a bowl. We're just gonna mix the noodles and the crab so they're all bits of crab in every little bite. And give it a nice little mix up. Just gonna cream our cheese sauce over it. Just get it nice and creamy everywhere. 350 Fahrenheit in the oven for 30 minutes. Yeah! Stick it in the oven. It's been 30 minutes. Pulling it out. We're gonna put some more cheese on it. You'll see, you'll see. And we're just gonna sprinkle this remaining cheese over the top. And we're gonna make sure we get every nook and cranny with panko. I like a real crunchy, crispy top. 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets a nice crispy top. Back in the oven you go. And here it comes. So get your spoon in there. Get yourself. Oh yeah. I will say this. I could have put more cheese in it. So at home, you know, put more cheese in it. Get yourself some, Joe.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah.